Now I could balance on a Rolla-Bolla, but I wanted to do something bigger and hopefully better. Balance on this. Now before I do, I'd like to solve a Rubik's Cube. Not just any Rubik's Cube, one that you actually mixed up yourself. You can see there's the signature. Now, I'm going to also attempt to solve this blindfolded. Which means I have to memorize the configuration of the cube. Let's do it. Alright, once I put this blindfold on, there's no turning back. Now, I have to recreate the cube in my mind, and with each move I make I have to recreate it. By the time I finish, I will have over 100 cubes made up in my mind. Now at this point, I'd be asking my audience if the green side is solved. I can't do that, so let's just hope it is. And if it isn't, I can't go back because that was your configuration. Alright. This side solved maybe, hopefully. Or inside solved maybe. Oh. Alright. Yes! Completely solved.